Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to analyze customer complaints in Sheets. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's say you've got a bunch of customer complaints copied into your sheet. Next, you need to install an add-on to your sheets. Go to Extensions, then Add-ons, and search for GPT for Sheets and Slides. You have to download this one. After that, go to Extensions and click on the last option, which is the new add-on, and click Enable GPT Functions. Now you're good to go. Now we can use functions like GPT Summarize. For example, in a new column, you can use GPT Classify to have ChatGPT sort each complaint into meaningful tags like delivery delay or product defect. After that, you can add another column and use GPT Summarize to generate a human-readable summary that pulls together the main points from those categories. This builds out your overview in a flash. Finally, to create a trend report, use a pivot table in Google Sheets to count how often each category appears and plot it as a chart. Go to Insert and choose the pivot table. Next, choose your range and create the pivot table in a new sheet. Now you can adjust the data that you want to see from this menu. And that's it. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.